In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to input a subject line and preview text in an email using the HubSpot platform. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a little refresher, I'll guide you through each step of the process, ensuring that your emails stand out from the moment they hit your recipients' inboxes. First, head over to the HubSpot user guide. This will be your home base for all things related to setting up your email. Once you're on the page, you'll see an option for email right there in the guide. Simply click on it to get started on creating your new email. When you're in the email section, direct your attention to the new email button. This is where you'll be creating a fresh email, just like a blank canvas waiting for you to fill with your content. Click on that button, and it'll lead you to the email editor. Think of this space as your workshop where all the creative action happens. Next, we're going to move over to the Inbox tab. This is a key area because it holds critical settings for crafting that perfect first impression of your email. Here, emails are not just about content, but also about how they appear in your reader's inbox. So, pay close attention to the next couple of steps. Once in the inbox settings, you'll want to look for the option to add a subject line. Now, the subject line is crucial. It's the first thing your recipients will see, and it's a major factor in whether they open your email or not. You'll want your subject line to be engaging, clear, and concise. Click on Subject Line and type in something that directly relates to your email's message and entices your audience to read more. Immediately following the subject line, you'll find the option for the preview text. This is a short snippet that appears right after your subject line when your email lands in someone's inbox. It's an excellent opportunity to give your readers a glimpse or a teaser about what's inside the email. Click on Preview Text and enter a few words or a sentence that complement your subject line. Together, these two elements work to capture the attention and interest of your recipients. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully added both a compelling subject line and preview text to your email in HubSpot. These small yet powerful details can significantly impact your email's open rates and effectiveness. Feel free to customize and test different variations to see what works best for your audience. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and you now feel confident navigating the HubSpot email features. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.